Hello. My introduction video, the sound was messed up, so I'll have to redo that one. So instead, my first YouTube video is going to be this, doing the personal portfolio page for FreeCodeCamp. So we'll quickly look to see what we have to do. Use CodePen to create something the same as this. What do we need? I can access all of the content just by scrolling, so single page. I can click different buttons, that will take me to different social media pages. Okay, straightforward enough, social media buttons. I can see thumbnail images of projects the creator has built, or placeholders. And I can navigate to different sections of the page by clicking buttons in a nav bar. Let's have a quick look at their example. So here we go, we have one page, we have a bit of a bio there, we have some portfolio thumbnails, a contact page, and down here we have social media links. There's a nav bar at the top that scrolls us about the page. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. Let's bin that. I'm already logged in, so if you've used Codecademy, this will be very familiar. I am going to do some extra setup in here, if it will take me in. Come on kids, open up, there we go. So CSS, I want Bootstrap 4 and I want Font Awesome for the social media icons. There are other choices in there. We have Materialize and Foundation frameworks. Bootstrap 3. We'll try using 4. So this is like setting up the head section in your HTML. I do also have something to add in here, which I have already done, and that is some fonts. Before the designers go crazy, I'm not going to use all of the fonts. We can see it's telling me you're going crazy with fonts, your web page will suffer. But I'm not too sure what font I want to use, so I've picked a couple. Once we've finalised the design, then I can come in here and remove all the ones that aren't being used, so the speed will come back down again. Well, the speed will go up, but the load time will go down, if that makes sense. So we can save and close that. Let's see. I'm just going to copy this into my CSS so that I remember what fonts I have available. So we'll whack that in up at the top. Okay then. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. I'm sure we'll be getting rid of that at some point. So let's set up a basic structure, very basic, before we do anything. So we're going to want a nav bar at the top. I'm going to have some kind of header section. We'll call it a header for now. We might change that. Then we're going to have some sections. So there will be, I will give this an ID as well. This is going to be, what's this going to be? let's just give it a name, ID, and we'll call it bio. No, bio. And we'll throw in bio in there. That should. That's going to be a section. We are going to have another section. This will be our portfolio. We'll stick PF in there. Close that off. What else? There'll be some kind of contact. So let's say it's another section. What have I done? That's what I did. So there'll be another section down at the bottom. We'll give it an ID of cont. Why not? And it's going to be contact. So we can close that off. And we also want, I'm going to want some kind of footer along the bottom. Which is going to be, it's going to be social media navbar or buttons. We'll say navbar for now. So there we go. There we go. That'll work for now. Just to remind us what we're doing. So, a navbar. Using Bootstrap, we can throw in navbar, isn't it? Navbar. And below that, we can start throwing in. We want some links. So first of all, we need to tell it that you are a nav item, and also that you're going to link. You'll tell it to link. This is why we gave them IDs. It would be nowhere, but we want you to go to bio. And we'll call it about. There we are. Let's see, we're going to want another 2 of those. So this one is going to be contact, and I need you to link to cont. This one is going to be, what do we call it? PF. And so you're going to be portfolio. There we go, simple navbar. That'll work for us. Okay, in my header. You want a header. I think, what do we want in it? I think we'll throw a picture in there. Okay, and we will call it, we'll give it an ID just for some styling. We'll call it PH, page header, portfolio header. That'll work. Alright. let's jump to the CSS right away then. So we want a picture, let's put in our picture, ph, and we want a background. It's coming from a URL, and we did save this earlier. I did some hunting around, take the image location, and we'll whack it on in there. So let's see, it should be big enough to not matter, but we say we don't want any repeating. We want you to be, oh no, wrong. We want you to be centered. Why can I not spell? I want you to be centered. Let's go with that. I'm a little worried that I'm not seeing a picture. Do I need to change the size? Let's try making it smaller. Could be the fact that I have absolutely nothing in that section. Just in case. Wait, what happened there? There we go, finally. Right, in here we also need some text. And it's going to be, what do we want? We want a header, we just want text. Let's just throw in some text for now. If my keyboard would work. What do we want? I had a something I was going to say. I still cannot type. Do I want it spread over two? Let's spread it over two for now. We can always come back to that. Okay, what have we got? No repeat. Where's the background gone? What has happened to my... that's because I've named it a class when it's not a class. It's an ID, Ross. You idiot. It's an ID of PH. PH, so we also want some styling in there. We want the paragraphs to be styled. And we want to call a font family. So let's try that one. This is why we did this. So we can use it. What have we got? Okay. Not bad. My image is still missing. Why is my image still missing? Background URL IDPH. Because I said it was a header, does it make any difference if I say it's a div? Apparently not. Apparently not. I don't see anything wrong there. I might be blind, mind you. It wouldn't surprise me. And change that size as well. But it's not making a blind bit of difference. Okay. Anyway. Back over here. Nope. Okay, that's kind of getting there. Put down one. Display 4. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Actually, we're going to wrap that with another div because we'll be wanting to move that. Yes, very good. We'll be wanting to move that out of there. Okay, now we've got some sizing. Why is this not working? We don't need that. Let's try a different image. See if that makes a difference. Computer. Let's try computer desk. Don't suppose it matters. We can use any image. There you go. That's a nice big image. Let's use you. Right. Give me a look. Okay. Take its location. Go back over there. And whack it in there. Alright Ross, it's something you've done that isn't working. Background size and height. Am I missing something stupidly obvious? I'll be back. Back again. Very strangely, it might be the CodePen backend, but having all those font entries at the top seem to confuse the life out of it. So there we go. We can see now the pictures come in. We're going to have to make some changes there, mind you. Let's put our height back in. What did we say? Will that work now? There we are, that's getting better. going to have to size the image. So, wait, no, size Ross, size. Let's make it cover. Okay, see now things are getting much better. Now it actually makes some kind of sense. What else? How does it look when we that seems to work okay. On. Go back up. Okay. So, and we wrapped our text there because we're going to want that to jump to the other side. Speaking of the text, we changed the font, didn't we? Now we'll get rid of all those font families. Font family is I can't remember what one we tried. Alright, that'll do for now. That'll do for now. We can always come back to it, Ross. We're going to have to move it around anyway. So, what have we got? Okay, our nav bar disappears. Also, we're on the left. I think we want to be on the right. So let's go back to that. Nav bar. It is it justify? Bootstrap to the end. There we go, that moves everything over there, well that's good. I've got you going to bio, I've got you going to BF, I've got you going to cont. Let's just try. There we are, that scrolled. But it scrolls with everything else. So let's tell it I want you to be fixed. Ah, and the picture goes behind. Well, that's good. And now our buttons scroll with the page, they stay with the page. Alright, what else are we going to do then? Actually, now that I think about it, what if I made you fixed as well? Ooh, look at that, parallax type doodah. Fancy. That might work. That might work. Alright. Where were we? Let's skip ahead a little bit. Right, let's just add this. Let's just add this in these other sections so we can see them properly. Throw it in there as well. There we go. Now we can see what we're doing. And the content doesn't matter so much for now, but we did say we wanted another nav bar for our social media. If we say footer and we give it another class, and we want it to be a nav bar. So let's give it some links. We can just do the same as what we did at the top. You are a nav item. You are going to link somewhere. But for now, I don't want you going anywhere. You're going to be social media, so let's say LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Let's go. Let's get what? Maybe 4. LinkedIn, GitHub. We're already in CodePen. There's no point linking back to CodePen, but we can link to FreeCodeCamp. Why not? And as I'm making videos, let's say YouTube. There we go. There we go. This was why. You can go away now. I've got you working. This was why we pulled in Font Awesome, so that we can use these funky little codes, funky little icons, sorry, but funky little code that gives you the funky little icon. That was FreeCodeCamp, so we'll just whack that in there. Web app. No, not web apps. I think they're down at the bottom. Text, video players. What have we got in here? YouTube. Okay, YouTube. That was one. YouTube. Goodness sake. How hard can it be to copy a piece of text? Copy. Paste in there. There. Bloody go. Next one. Oh, where were we? GitHub, LinkedIn, GitHub. GitHub. I'm going to be looking for LinkedIn as well. I could go LinkedIn. Internet is flying. Can I go anywhere? I can get to FreeCodeCamp and then go to icons. Yes. Web applications isn't what we're looking for. Keep going, Ross. Keep going. Brands. Okay. This time. LinkedIn. Woohoo! Success! There we go. Finally. They're a bit on the small side, aren't they? Where are my frames? LinkedIn. Let's make you bigger. Make you bigger. I just do FA. Let's say 2 times as big. Be down there for a look. Yeah, I think I can do 4 actually. Oh yes I can, but oh, no, it's a bit on the very, very big side. Right, back to 2. But we can take that, oops, and we can put it in. All these ones. YouTube, where are you? There you are. Okay, that's taken some kind of shape. How about that text? Can we move it? That's why we put it in a div. So there'll be classes. There will be classes. Can I just float it? Can I just float you to the right? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. And you scroll away. I might want you to drop down a little bit. There is it. Oh, there it is. Okay. There's probably a better way to do this in Bootstrap, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to type it properly. And I'm going to say, what am I going to say? Okay, that's far too much rocks. Now, when we make it smaller, now when we make it smaller, it doesn't do anything. Scroll, bitches. Alright, well, you get the idea. You get the idea. Probably can make that a bit smaller. Anyway. You get the idea. We're going to stop there. I'm going to stop there. Obviously, I'm away to mess with Bootstrap columns. Great fun. Right. See you later.